Alright, what's up guys? So it's currently 8:08. I'm heading to Gilroy to go look at a car. You'll see when I get there, but it sounds nice. We'll see what happens. I'm in the Corolla, small car, big body, don't work. So I'll see you guys when I get over there. Alright, good morning guys. So today is the day. I bought the car yesterday. It was a really good deal. I'll leave it at that. It's currently 9 o'clock and Leanne doesn't even know I bought this car yet. So it's gonna be a little surprise, as well as this is gonna be the reveal, guys. So this car is 100% stock. I got it with 35,000 miles on it. It's a 2015 and honestly, I just got a really good deal for it. I wasn't looking for something this new. I kind of wanted something, I wanted to go with something like the older generation so I could fix it up and, you know, a lot more parts and just, you know, it would have been a lot simpler. But like I said, this was a really good deal that I was not gonna pass up. So let's take a look. Alright, so here we have it. It is a, like I said, it's a 2015 370Z. Came up on a really good deal. The guy that got it, he bought it and he didn't even want it anymore. He just had it. He didn't even have the title for the car yet because he didn't want it. I mean, he regretted it. He kind of wanted to sell it, get it out already. So I went to Hayward, which is right by Union City, which is right by San Francisco, to go look at a different one. And I didn't even think about looking at this one until basically I was already giving up. You know, I just wanted to go home. I was tired already. You know, drove 3.5 hours for a car that was a piece of crap, and saw this one. So I was like, yeah, let's just hit them up. Let's see what happens. And boy, I am glad I did that. So like I said, I mean, this car is brand spanking new. It still has factory warranty on it. So, and the interior is clean. Like I said, I mean, it's basically brand new. I mean, other than just it being dirty, just from the drive. And the guy was kind of dailing it for the meantime. So, there you have it. I mean, of course, I'm gonna get a manual. I'm not gonna get an automatic when it comes to these cars. Like I said, everything's clean. This leather is beautiful. So that's basically it. Let me get out of the car real quick. So that's basically it. I got a really good deal on this car. So this is what you're gonna be seeing from now on. A huge shout out to everyone who's still here, who's still following, who's still liking the videos and everything. Because you know what? This is where it's gonna start. This is where it's actually gonna start. I have a lot planned for this car, so stay tuned. You guys know the drill. Like, share, subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video.